Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today in this session we will solve this algebraic problem. The problem here is 81 raised to the power x plus again 81 raised to the power x plus 9 raised to the power x, that is equal to 10. Then we will find the value of x. So friend, please don't forget to give a thumbs up to the video and subscribe our YouTube channel. So let's start the video. Now for solving this, if you look at here, the base is 9 and here it is 81. And 81 is the square of 9. We can write 81 as 9 square. So in place of 81, we write 9 square. So it is 9 square and it is powered by x. So again it is 9 square and powered by x. And here it is plus 9 raised to the power x as it is, that is equal to 10. Now if you look at it, is in the form of a powered by m and powered by n. Here it is powered by 2 and the bracket is powered by x. So this value we can write it as a powered by mn, and this indices value we can write it as a powered by n and powered by m. Here we have interchanged the power. Similarly here we will write it as 9 powered by x and it is powered by 2. So here also we have interchanged the power. Now plus here again it is 9 powered by x and we will write square and plus 9 powered by x, and that is equal to 10. Now here the base 9 powered by x is same. So here also it is 9 powered by x and 9 powered by x. So we'll let 9 powered by x is equal to a. So therefore our expression will be, if we let 9 powered by x as a, then it is a square, and this value is also a square and it is a plus a, and that is equal to 10. Now a square and a square is 2a square, so it is 2a square plus a, and we'll take 10 in the left hand side, so it will be negative 10, and that's equal to 0. So in the next step we'll factorize this term. For that we'll multiply 2 and 10, that is 20, and 20 we'll write so that we can get a means 1. So we'll write 5 minus 4. So we'll write plus 5a minus 4a and negative 10, and here it is plus 2a square. So that is equal to 0. Now we'll take common from the first two. We'll take common from this first two and we can factor out a. So remaining here is 2a. So 2a plus here it is 5. So plus 5. And now from the next two we can take negative 2 common. So we'll take negative 2 common, and the remaining here is plus 2a. We have taken negative common, so it is plus 2a, and here it is plus 5. So it is plus 5 and that is equal to 0. Now we'll take common again. So it is 2a plus 5. So it is 2a plus 5. And in the another bracket it will be a minus 2. So it is a minus 2 and that is equal to 0. Now the multiplication of 2 factor is 0. So we can write either 2a plus 5 is equal to 0 or a minus 2. Here it is a minus 2, that is equal to 0. Now from here we can calculate the value of a. A will be negative 5 divided by 2. So it is negative 5 divided by 2, and here a will be 2. So now we have let a is equal to 9 raised to the power x. So it is 9 raised to the power x, it is equal to negative 5 divided by 2, and here it is 9 raised to the power x, that is equal to 2. Now for further solutions we'll take log both sides. So it is log 9 raised to the power x, that is equal to log negative 5 by 2. The logarithm of negative value is undefined, so we cannot take this value. So we'll take this value for the calculation of x. So we'll take log for this value also. So it is log 9 raised to the power x, that is equal to, in the right hand side, log 2. So it is log 2, and we know the formula of log base a powered by x. We can write it as x log a. We write the x value in front. Similarly here we'll write x in the front. So x log 9, that's equal to log 2. Now from here we will calculate the value of x. So the value of x will be log 2 divided by log 9. Now for calculating the value of x, we will take out the value of log 2 and log 9. So the value of log 2 from the calculator you can take, it is 0.3010, and the value of log 9 value is 0.9542. So we'll put the value of log 2 and log 9 here. So log 2 is 0.3010 and that is divided by log 9 value is 0.9542. So if we'll calculate, the value of x will be 0.3154. So friend, this is how we have calculated the value of x, and here the value of x we have calculated is 0.3154. So this is our answer of this problem. Friends, this ends for today. If you like the video, do not forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching the video.